Hey, how's it going? It's Jonathan Riggins here again with EXP and showing you another home. This is off Gravenhurst, which is off Lynn Haven here in Virginia Beach. And as you come in, it's a nice little neighborhood. There's a lake in the back. This is a 2,000 square foot house, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and we'll run through that real quick. All right, like I was saying, we're at the Gravenhurst house, standing just inside the front door. Get the wide angle going. So, front door, immediately to the right, steps, fireplace, vaulted. That is a loft up there. Come in here into the living room or den. Move around to the dining room. We'll get to the backyard here in a second. That opens to under the steps, plenty of storage there. Come around. That is a wood fireplace. Go back through the front door area. Nice coat rack setup they have in here. Closet. Good sized garage, your water heater's out here. So is your washer and dryer hookups, which are over here. There's a fan in here. It's a decent sized garage for being a single bay. Go down the long hallway here first. Gigantic storage closet. Full bath. Hi. Right here as you come in. Long hallway. We're going to go to the right. Takes you into the kitchen. Concrete countertops, a butcher style island, butcher top style. Oh yes, look outside. Backyard's up on a lake. Now that we're outside, so they have a, I wouldn't call it a dock out there. Old shed. Enough room out here to have parties, entertain, come down here to this and hang out. There's water. Pretty good view out here. All right, we're gonna head back into the house from outside. Neighbors mowing. There are 3 bedrooms on the first floor. Coming down the long hallway. Puts you in the first bedroom. Fortunately or unfortunately, there's no overhead lighting or fan in this room. Come right out of here into the second. Same, no overhead lighting or fan. We'll go into the third. This one's bigger. And it has a full bath in here. Now let's head upstairs. Interesting. Little shades. It's like a loft you find in a lot of houses like this. Could be an office, because it's right off the master suite. Closet, full bath. Got a closet there. And one here. We have a closet in here, still in the master bedroom. Mechanical room, great access. Looks like new equipment too. And that, my friends, is the house on Gravenhurst here in Virginia Beach. Have a good day. If you like today's content of this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see other videos that I've made, please subscribe. Have a good day.